He is one of the biggest contrarians on the street, rightly predicting numerous meltdowns. Let's see where he stands right now on politics, the U.S. economy, and the global markets. Joining us now on the fast line is Mr. Gloom, Boom, and Doom himself, Mr. Marc Faber. Marc, it's always a pleasure to speak with you.
My pleasure.
First of all, I want to get your take on where we stand in the U.S. stock market. We've seen this sort of melt up, and in your latest report, you're somewhere between, it seems, gloom, boom, and doom. and you point out that the technicals trouble you and that you believe that the NASDAQ could be in for some significant downside weakness. Where do we stand here?
Well, basically, we had quite a strong rally from a low of 1266 in June. We're up now to essentially over 1400. So we had a strong rally. The rally wasn't convincing in terms of new highs and in terms of volume, but nevertheless we had this rally. I think in the last few days the market has traded, as is the case for gold, in a very narrow range. And I think the market is going to break out of this range. My guess would be on the downside and not on the upside, because the market is already overbought here. So that's where I stand. Now, how low will we go? I think if the market dropped 150 points on the S&P, we would have QE 3 and 4.
And then will the markets bounce on QE 3 or 4, or is that trade over?
Probably it will bounce, but we may have seen kind of the high for the year. Maybe we make a marginal new high and then we drop again. But I think 2013 will be a difficult year for equities.